So I want to give you my review on the Sonicare replacement head. Now this is not a Sonicare brand, but it works just as well, and it comes in a large package with several heads that you can see. So basically all you do is just pull this right off, okay? And as long as your Sonicare has this type of tip, there's another type of Sonicare and it will not work on there. And it has to have, you know, that there. So all you do is take that off. Whoop, and push it back on. Now, I've had this toothbrush for quite a while, and these do not like get loose, come off. They don't pop off while you're trying to brush your teeth. They each come in an individual wrapping, you know, and then they each have a little plastic head on them. So it's great to have these in your closet. If I had to go to the store and hunt them down, I probably would not change them nearly as much as I do when I have them in my storage, and I'm just able to whip them out and get them. So, cleaner toothbrush, better teeth, better hygiene. Just my opinion on the Sonicare replacement.